Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money just by browsing on Google. Now, it's free to start. All you need is your computer, or you can use your cell phone or even a laptop. And from my knowledge, is available worldwide. So, before I get into this method, I need to tell you one other thing. Thank you guys for helping me get to almost 3,000 subscribers. I'm 25 subscribers away from getting to 3,000. It's been a long journey, but I'm almost there, and it's all because of you guys. You guys helped me get to this point. So I'm definitely going to reward you guys. I might go ahead and reward 2 people once I get to 3,000 subscribers. So please, let's keep going, keep sharing my videos. And if you're new, subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also give me a like. It really helps out my video and helps out this channel. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. Like I said before, I'm only 25 subscribers away, so I might be there by the next video. All right, guys. Please watch this all the way to the very end so you know every step you need to take to make this money just browsing on Google. Now, without further ado, let me hop over to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So on this website, you're going to be making money by sharing your opinion, shopping, and searching. And you're going to earn cash, not swag or points. So it's free to sign up. Right here, you just put in your email and password. You'll be able to sign up. And it's available as an app on the Google Play Store and Apple Store. So you're going to be earning money by sharing your opinions. And you'll be able to do it on your laptop or mobile phone. You'll be able to earn when you shop. So you'll be able to get saving coupons and you'll be able to use those to shop, and you're going to get paid to do this shopping. And they also give you other type of offers that you can use. Like if you want to get a new internet provider, they have an offer for that, a new phone, or even a weekly meal plan. So they have offers for all that and many more. So you earn when you search. So you're going to be able to search and just get paid. Now, there's specific sites that you'll be able to search on, but I'm going to show you that in a minute and tell you what they are. So let me go ahead and go up here to the top and click on where it says how it works. So they have a video right here you can check out and tell you a little bit more about this website. So the name of this website is QMe. Now, QMe is a free browser and mobile app that allows you to earn real cash rewards for searching your opinion and for engaging with your favorite brands. And you'll be able to take surveys on the go. So you're going to be giving your opinion and you're going to get paid for giving your opinion. And also, you're going to be able to accumulate cash rewards while you're doing these surveys. And what's going to happen is they're going to pile up in your piggy bank and you'll be able to withdraw that with no minimum cash out at any time. So it says here, sharing your opinion with paid surveys helps your voice be heard, and you can help influence the direction of your favorite brands. That's pretty neat. It also says here we offer cash rewards for searching and shopping online. Simply install the QMe app to your browser to start earning while you search on your favorite sites and engage with your favorite brands. And one last thing, once you get your account, you'll be able to go in there and look at the top money earners. So if you want to check that out once you sign in to your account. Now, I want to go to the app and I want to show you the rating and the reviews on this app. So I'm in the Google Play Store right now. And when you look it up, just look for QMe Instant Cash Surveys. And they just, right here, just, really basically tell you everything I just told you on the website, how everything works. Now, the rating is 4.3. That's out of 5 stars, which is a very good rating. Anything over 4 is always real good. Now, let's read this first person, Haley Wilson. She says, here, literally amazing. It's legit. Finally, it's all through surveys, which take anywhere from 5 to 25 minutes to complete. And you can get from a few cents to $1 for each one. About half the time I get declined for surveys, but I don't really care much because I always get as much accepted. So they always get as many surveys accepted that they get declined. Now let's just read one more review here. The Lit Kid, love that person's name. Okay, it says, this app is amazing. I have already earned $5 Amazon gift card in just one day. So this person is satisfied. He got paid in one day. And I guess he wanted to get an Amazon gift card. Now, you can get an Amazon gift card or you can get a PayPal cash. Either one, it's up to you. All right, guys. That's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website and app. So let me just go back to the beginning here of this website. Now, if you're ready to go ahead and start making this money with just giving your opinion, shopping and searching, go to QMe.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And help me to get like 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I have talked about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on, because maybe in the next video I might be announcing the next winner of some free money. As a matter of fact, like I said before, it might be 2 winners. So make sure you drop that hashtag get your grind on in the comments. And please keep doing it. Keep sharing. If you're not sharing, please share right now, because I want to help everybody I can around the world to make money online and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, before I end this, I want to give a shout out. The person's name is, let me look at my notes, VX3 Rain. Thank you for this comment right here. Appreciate you. Thank you. And I know you're probably subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Now, any of you guys want to get a shout out, just leave a comment. Leave a creative comment like Mr. VX3 did, or Mrs. VX3 did. And you could be the next person to get a shout out in one of my videos. Because I know a lot of you guys out there have a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow it. I can help you with your YouTube channel and help it to grow if I just put a comment up here, give you a shout out from a comment that you drop, and people might go check out your page and want to subscribe. So it'll be beneficial for you guys to drop a creative comment down in the comment section. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for getting me close to 3,000, which I know in the next video, I'm probably going to be saying thank you for helping me get to 3,000 and rewarding two people with some free money. So I just want to say thank you. Keep helping a brother. Let's keep going. Let's go to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 nonstop. We're going to keep going because, guys, as I keep growing, I'm going to keep giving out this free money and also giving out this important content to help you to advance your financial situation. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.